Guys, welcome back to another video. We are going to finish with that last sequence and series, um, arithmetic sequence and series topic, so we can move on to more of a geometric sequence and geometric series in the next video. So right now what we have is, let's say they say, we need to find, so let's say they say to find. Actually, before I even move on, take a moment and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alert when I post a new video. Right? Let's say that they say find the number, right? Find the number of terms, all right, in this in the arithmetic sequence. So now what they are saying is, instead of them giving you the number of term, to find the last term or the first four terms, they basically are giving you the terms or the terms. Now you need to find the number. Let's say we have something like as follow: -2, 1, 4, 73. So these are the terms. They want you to find the number of terms, right? Number of terms. So that means they want to say, what is n equal to? Right? Remember, n is equal to the number of terms, right? So what is the number of terms? So what we're going to do is we're going to write the formula. What is the formula for arithmetic sequence? It's an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 times d, which is the difference. So usually they give you the number of terms, but this time they're asking you for the number of terms. So what is an? An is the last term, right? That's the last term. So what is an now? So an equals to, oops. So an equals to 73. That's the last term. What is a1? A1 is the first term, right? So a1 equals to -2. What is d? D is the difference. Now we need to calculate the difference. So how do you calculate the difference? You take the second term, which is 1, you subtract the first term from the second term, so that's going to be -2. So 1 minus a -2 equals to 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. And if you look, if you do -2 plus 3, it equals to 1. Then you do 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. So d is equal to 3. So d is a difference of 3. So now, can we find n? Yes. So what is that? So remember, a sub n, which is 73, is equal to a1. a1 is -2 plus, oops, a1 is equal to -2 plus n minus 1 times the difference, which is 3. So very easy now to find n, right? We are looking for n. So what's next? Well, I'm going to add 2 on both sides. So I have 75 equals to 3 times n minus 1. I'm going to divide by 3 on both sides. So that means what? What is 75 divided by 3? It's 25. So 25 is equal to n minus 1. And I'm going to add 1 on both sides, right? And so I get n equals to 26. So the number of terms, 4, negative 2, 1, 4, 73 is equal to 26. So there are 26 terms in this arithmetic sequence. Let's do a second one just so we can get this under our belt. Let's do the second one. Let's say we do 2, 0, negative 2, negative 56. And again, we are looking for n. So we have an equals to n, a1, oops. Right? So we have a1 plus n minus 1 times d. An is equal to 56 or negative 56 on this point. A1 is equal to 2 plus n minus 1. And what is d? D is, what is 0 minus 2? D is negative 2. So that means we're going to have negative 56, and I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides, right? I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. So I get negative 58 equals to negative 2 times n minus 1. Then I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides. So I get, what is 58 divided by 2? It's going to be equal to 29. 29 is equal to n minus 1. I'm going to add 1 on both sides, and I get 30 equals to n. So, number of terms for 2, 0, negative 2, negative 56 is equal to 30. And that's basically your answer. So, pretty simple, right? Okay, now let's do some series. So this down, we want you to find, okay, the sum. Okay, find the sum of these indicated terms. Actually, no, this is actually still sequences. Find the sum of the indicated terms of this arithmetic sequence. Okay, find the sum of how would I put it? Find the sum of number of terms for arithmetic sequence. Let's say we have 1, 3, 5, and then n is equal to 50. How do we find the sum of the arithmetic sequence? It's very simple. The formula for the sum of arithmetic sequence is basically, remember, it's Sn equals to n over 2 a1 plus an. That's the sum for the arithmetic sequence. Alright, now when it comes to the arithmetic series, you will also see what it is. So what would that be? What is Sn? Sn is 50, right? Is that correct? Yes. So Sn is 50. So we're gonna have I guess I would say S50 instead. S50 would be equal to n, which is 50 over 2. What is A1? A1 is 1. A1 is equal to 1 plus, what is an? What is an? Now, first thing first, we need to find an. So how do we find an? We're gonna go back to this type of problem, remember? That's how I find an. So an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times the difference. So what is an? What is a1? a1 is equal to 1 plus, what is n? N is 50 minus 1. And what's the difference? What is 3 minus 1? Is equal to 2. So an is equal to 1 plus, what is 49 times 2? 98. So an is equal to 99. So now back to S50 is equal to 50 over 2. A1 is 1 plus an is 99. So we have S50 is equal to 25 times 100. So S50 is equal to 2500. And that's the number of terms. No, not the number, that's the sum. So that's the sum. So sum of number of terms for 1, 3, 5, where n is equal to 50 is 2500. Now, I know this is pretty confusing, so I'm gonna stop it right here. I'm gonna come back and do another one of these to explain it more in depth. So guys, don't worry, I'm gonna make another video on this one again to explain it to you even in much details. So if you like this video, take a moment and hit that like button, and of course don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can be alerted when I post a new video. And guys, help me get to 200 subscribers by February if possible. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is Math Stats. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, Math Stats out.